Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I want to take you along with me as I do my evening routine. I don't know if you got what you want to call it, but I am a full-time working mom. I work outside of the home, and so the nights are kind of crazy. Tonight, luckily, we only have one basketball practice at 8 o'clock, so I have a few hours before we need to go to do that. But right now, we are in the busiest season of motherhood for me. We've got cheer, we've got basketball, and those two things end up being every single night. And then last week we were out of town Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And this week we're gonna be out of town Thursday, Friday, Saturday. And next week we're gonna be out of town Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So a lot going on, and I'm trying to fit in videos where I can. So I appreciate you being here and being patient with me. But let's start this evening routine. I'm gonna start with some dinner. I gotta get some dinner. I gotta put some clothes away. I got to kind of get ready to go out of town, so we'll take you to do that. But I don't know what we'll get up to, but I want to take you along, so I hope you'll join me. I don't know about you guys, but ever since the holidays, I have struggled so hard on getting dinners. It's not about getting them cooked, it's just about coming up with ideas. And so this recipe that I'm making tonight is homemade hamburger helper. We love it, the kids love it, I love it. And if you're not using frozen onions, you're really missing out. Maybe you're not missing out, but if you're just trying to use your time more wisely, this is a good hack because I love onions, I just hate cutting them. So I'm just gonna start by browning 1 pound of meat and some onions, and then I will come back in just a minute and show you what we would put in there. But I've got to get these dishes cleaned up. I really don't like going to bed with dishes in the sink, and I really don't like coming home to dishes in the sink. So I try really hard to make sure that when I leave the house, the dishwasher is empty, so that when the kids come home for lunch, they can load it as they will. But today they made cookies last night after I went to bed, and so that is why I have to clean this. But it's okay. If you don't own one of these Our House pans, they're so great. We use them for everything. You can use them as a griddle, you can use them in the oven. They're so good, and they're cute. I wanted to thank Raycon for sponsoring this portion of the video. Raycon everyday earbuds are perfect partner for the gym, work, or phone calls, offering minimum audio that goes wherever you go. Their latest model is better than ever with wireless charging capabilities, 32-hour battery life, and a multi-point connectivity that'll let you pair with 2 different devices at one time. These earbuds also come with active noise cancellation, which is often difficult to find at an accessible price point. When Raycon reached out to me and asked me if I wanted to do a sponsored video with them, I was elated because I had these in my shopping cart for months, and I was going to purchase them for myself for Christmas, and I did not. And I was super bummed, but here we are, and I am thrilled about it. Absolutely thrilled. They have beautiful colors to choose from. You can buy a protective case for your case. I love that there's different sizes for your ears, because that is where my biggest problem is all inner earphones hurt my ears and give me a headache. So they're hard for me to find, but I have had absolutely no issues with these. I have loved turning on an audiobook and doing housework around the house like I'm doing tonight. I can't listen to audiobooks at work, but I have worked them into my routines here at home, and I have loved it thanks to these beautiful earbuds. Raycon has given me a coupon code for up to 20% off. Just use Crystal H at checkout, or you can find the links in the description box below, or go to buyraycon.com/Crystal H. I love this attachment for my KitchenAid to grate cheese. So this recipe calls for a cup of cheese, of different kinds of cheese: cheddar cheese, Parmesan cheese, and mozzarella cheese. But I normally grate all my cheese once a week because it's just so much better than bagged cheese. If you agree with me, let me know in the comments below. But there's nothing better than freshly grated cheese. I will have the recipe with all the exact measurements in the description box below, but we have some beef broth, we have some onion powder, we have garlic powder, oregano, and basil, and that's how we're going to season up the meat. We're going to let that simmer for a little bit, kind of while it cooks down, and then we're going to come back and we will add our pasta. Forgot, but you also need a half a can of tomato paste. I also use the squeeze tube. I actually prefer that because I never use a full can of this and I hate wasting food, and so definitely buy the squeeze tube. Once that's simmered for 5 minutes or so, you're going to add 2 cups of milk. And I love to get these pastas at Trader Joe's. I used to really like I can't think of the name, but they're like a miniature lasagna noodle. That's what I normally like, but I don't think they sell those anymore, which is really frustrating. But the last time we were out of town and there was a Trader Joe's, I picked up this bag and it seems to work just fine. I don't know, I just love the spirally pasta. While the noodles are cooking on the stove, I'm just going to go ahead and wipe everything down, the counters. I kind of just tidy up I kind of spot check or spot clean, if you will. You know, if there's anything dirty on the cabinets, I'll wipe those off, wipe down the counters, and just tidy up. Some of you may ask, I just use Thieves Cleaner as my all-purpose cleaner. So that's what's in my little spray bottle that I always use. And then I just want to share this really cute story about those flowers that you're going to see me throw the dead ones away. So we had to go out of town the day before Valentine's Day, and my son, who was 18, woke up at 6 a.m. to go buy these flowers because he knew we were going to be gone over Valentine's Day, and he wanted to make sure that his mama got flowers. Isn't that so sweet of him? And you guys, I know carnations get a bad rap, but they are the best flower, especially if you want them to last a long time. This is a week later, and they're still looking beautiful on my counter. After the noodles are all cooked, we're going to add some mozzarella cheese, the cheddar cheese. I'm just doing a little bit, a handful. It's probably more than the recipe calls, but Cheese, more cheese is always more, right? You can't have too much. It's so good. This looks so good. I wish I had some to eat right this minute because I'm starving. But I like to use these little bowls. Again, I just eat whatever I cook my kids for dinner. Whether sometimes it's not the best, sometimes it is. I use these small bowls for portion control, and it's working really well for me. They're just from Target. They're great, and this is Chef's Kiss. If you guys don't already, I strongly encourage you to, quote, put your kitchen to bed. If you follow the new food nanny, you've heard that before, but it is such a game changer for me. If you don't want to wake up to a dirty house and all that clutter, take the time and do it the night before, and you will have a much better morning. I promise you. And if you can even do it better, you could unload the dishwasher before you go to bed if you've done your dishes early enough, and then you'll have an empty dishwasher for the breakfast dishes and the lunch dishes and all the dishes. And it just makes me so happy. Right, we're in my bedroom now. So my daughter did my laundry for me when I was out of town, which was another just sweet Valentine's gift to me. I was so stressed out, and she just had the house cleaned and most of the laundry done for me when I got home. And I'm not kidding you. It was just one of those things that I just felt so incredibly grateful. I have such good kids. Anyway, we're just putting away the clothes that she had washed and folded, and then I had brought up to my room and let them sit here a day or so because I was lazy. But we're gonna put them away so that we can tidy up the room, and so when I get home, being out of town this weekend, my room is cleaned and I just need to do my laundry. So some clothes I hang up, some clothes I put in these little bins. I think I've shared my closet with you guys before. It's nothing fancy. I'm still missing the doors on there. In due time, my friends. Sometimes the season of life does not allow for any DIY projects, and that is my life currently. So maybe one day we'll get those doors on my closet. But until then, we make do with what we have, right? Anyway, here I'm just laying out my clothes for the trip. I'm very easy. I don't overpack. I take what I need, and that's it. Mostly it's school apparel because we're going to basketball games and we want to be representing, but just gonna stuff them in this bag. You know what? I really need an overnight bag, but I don't have one. I'm just gonna use this bag. If you have not read the Let Them Theory book, it's so good. Okay, so I have my bag packed. So this is my clothes. This is the clothes I'm going to wear tomorrow. I've started my toiletry bag. But if you guys haven't tried this Trader Joe's hair oil, I just wanted to recommend it because it is so good. And it kind of smells like Carmex, but it's good. Anyway, and then in the morning I will fill my makeup bag, pop it in. We're only going for a few days. I'm not out to impress anybody, and I don't need a whole lot, so we're good there. And then I will put like my books. I'm reading the Let Them Theory, and I'm reading this Hillbilly Elegy. Both are fantastic. So I will take those with me, and I just gotta get my sleeping medicine in there, and I think I'm packed. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video and just a little glimpse into what my evening routine is like. I will have all of the Raycon information in the description box below. Just remember, if you use the code Crystal, you'll get 20% off, and I'm loving those. Just loving them. But anyway, that's all I got for you in this video. I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.